morning, guys. I hope that you guys have had a good day. And yeah, I don't know. I worked outside a little bit, and it's not so sunny. Oh, what's that? A text. Oh, look at this. Can you see that? Boy, we better get to some geometry. Okay, we're going to talk about the triangle inequality. Um, this, I think, is a very simple concept, and it basically just says for any triangle, no matter what the shape, two of the sides added together is always going to be greater than the third side. It doesn't matter if it's, let's call this 1, 2, and 3. 1 and 2 are going to be greater than 3. 2 and 3 are going to be greater than 1. 1 and 3 are going to be greater than 2. Okay? And let me just show you, I think I can do this with my phone, and I got a couple spaghetti noodles here, and just see this? These two spaghetti noodles are the same length, all right? So let's say I took one, and I'll just break it at some point. Okay, so think about what this theorem is saying. If these two together were not greater than this third side, sorry, maybe let me make sure you can see that. If these two together were not greater than this one, look what would happen. I would join this one at the end. I would join this one at the end, and they don't quite touch. In fact, like I could come down, 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 and the only time they're going to actually be together is when it's perfectly flat, like that, and that's not going to be a triangle, okay? So let's actually make a triangle. So let me take just a tiny bit off of this one. Get rid of that. So now we know, let's just look at this. The two on the top are greater than the third one now. So now when you try to put them together, and you put that there, and you put that there, and you kind of bring this down. I'm going to have to, I guess, raise this up a little. This is harder to do than I thought. But do you see they're eventually going to touch right here? Right there. These two are greater than the third one. If they weren't, when they came together, it would just be a straight line along this, and you can't make a triangle like that. Similarly, you can see, obviously, these two together are greater than that one. That and that is greater than that one. It's just impossible to make a triangle if you just think about it without that being true, okay? So that's all this is really talking about. It's theorem 5-11. And it simply just says the sum of any two lengths of a triangle are greater than the third length. Doesn't matter what order you put them in.